Heyo, boss, and Happy New Year. The team took a little bit of a break around the holidays. Things get kind of busy, so we need a little time off, but we are back. We got a great side dish with some potatoes we're going to be cooking up today, and we just hope everyone had a great holiday and New Year. Today, we're going to be sharing with you a nice side dish or appetizer. This is garlic parm smashed potatoes. Let's go ahead and get cooking. So chef's going to start with some washed red potatoes. He's going to put them in a pot of cold water on the stove, and he's going to heat that up till they're boiling. If you're going to boil potatoes, you want to start them off in cold water. Once they heat up and start boiling, you want these to be soft on the inside, but not too soft. So just be mindful of that. Use a fork to kind of judge that. Take them out, drain the water, and then go ahead and put them on a cookie sheet with some parchment paper. Now, chef used the glass, just like a rocks glass, and just lightly press down and kind of smash the potatoes, just like so. After that, he's going to go ahead and put a little olive oil on each potato. Chef has to label it. He doesn't want to use the motor oil like last time. That was a disaster. Once they're all oiled, go ahead and take a brush and just brush the oil around the potatoes. Now we're going to go ahead and season the potatoes with some garlic salt, pepper, and paprika, or any other seasonings you might prefer. It's up to you. We're also going to get our oven heated up to 425 degrees. So there's all of our smashed and seasoned potatoes. They're going to go in the oven for 30 minutes at 425 degrees. Just before they come out, take some butter and just melt it in a ramekin, just like so. And now we're going to add some Parmesan cheese, as well as some minced garlic. Give that a nice little stir, and then add some fresh chopped up parsley. And again, you can stir it as well. And then after a half hour, we took our potatoes out, and this is what they look like, nice and golden brown, crispy. Chef's going to go ahead and take that butter Parmesan mixture. He's just going to brush it on the potatoes. Then when they're all brushed, put them back in the oven for about 5 more minutes. And then when they come out, they look just like this. After that, you can serve them up. So as you can see, here's our final product. Chef stacked them up. You can actually take them almost like French fries and just kind of dip them in some kind of like ranch dressing or maybe like a dressing that you like. And there you go. Serve these up with something to eat, and they're a delicious side dish. Thanks again for joining us today. If you're new, subscribe. Happy New Year to everybody. Can't wait to start putting out more videos, and we hope you really like this one. So thanks again for joining us, everyone. And don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.